This is a pretty sneaky question, I think. Very easy to miss solutions. So I've got a square, and I'm interested in the points on the paper that are exactly 10 centimeters away from two of the vertices of the square. The vertices are the corners. Now each side is 10 as well. The first thing to look at is pick one of the corners and actually realize that it is 10 centimeters away from two of the other corners. And this works for all four of them. So we're going to get 4 points that are the corners. And this is using the diagonally opposite vertices. I actually think this is the easiest one to miss. I decided to talk about it at the start because I guess that's what we should be thinking in our head. How is this going to arise? Well, we can see that it's a square. So by definition, like the corner is 10 centimeters away from two other points. Let's look at the other ones. So now if we go with two that are just along the same edge, we can imagine constructing an equilateral triangle, which I'm now going to do. It's going to look a little bit like that. Then this point at the top would be 10 centimeters away from the top left and from the top right. So that is another point. But there's nothing stopping us taking this triangle and turning it round and putting it on the inside of the square as well. Now I've done this quite precisely because when I tried to sketch it, I ended up making it look like it was quite near the center and it's nowhere near the center. So I'm going to get from each pair, edge pair, I'm actually going to get another 2 points and I'm just going to demonstrate that. But ultimately we're going to get 8 and then plus the 4 is going to give 12, which is the answer. But I'm just going to carry on and show you. So if I take these ones down here and compare it with like you do the same thing for the bottom 2 vertices, then I'm going to get this structure going on. This is 10 centimeters away from these two, and so is this. And now I can do the same again for the ones on the left here. Okay, these are going to be 10 centimeters away. This one here and this one here. That's another 2. And then finally, on the right, we've got another 2. We get what should be, and I've not done a bad job here, this perfectly symmetric shape. It doesn't look quite right because I kind of, I can't get it perfect, but you can see that there's going to be basically the 4 from the corners that are like from the diagonally opposite vertices, and then we get another 8, which I'm just sort of highlighting in now, from all the pairs. Okay, I'm not going to highlight all of them, but you can see the answer is 12.